Okay, tell me this. Would you trust something this adorable to clean your toilet? Because this isn't a toy. This isn't a speaker. This is Giddel, a tiny robot with one job, scrubbing the toilet like a little champion. And guess what? It actually does it better than you. Let me show you how this cutie tackles one of the nastiest jobs in the house, without gagging once. So here's what we're working with. A white, blue, and black design, a single robot arm with a bristled brush on the end, and yes, buttons that look like cartoon eyes. It sits right above your toilet using this mount, and when you're ready, you press the button and let it do its thing. No app, no syncing, no passwords, just a robot doing the dirty work. And honestly, it looks like it belongs in a Pixar film. If Wall-E ever took a side gig as a bathroom janitor, this would be it. I let Giddel loose on a regular toilet that hadn't been cleaned for a few days. Don't judge me. I did it for content. What happened next? It dropped that brush in like a soldier on a mission. It spun. It scrubbed. It danced under the rim like it was doing a bathroom ballet. It gets places I normally ignore. You know the spots. The ones you pretend are fine for now. Look, it's easy to laugh at a robot cleaning your toilet. But here's why I love this thing. It saves you from bending down. It never complains. You can use your own cleaning solution. You're not locked into expensive pods. And it doesn't splash like a maniac with a brush. The brush scrubs in radial, wavy, and up-down movements. That's 3 directions more than I ever manage when I clean it myself. And it goes right back to its charging station when it's done. Like, I did my part. See you next time. After a late-night spicy food binge, my bathroom was under siege. So I called in the little bot, and it handled everything like a pro. Didn't blink, didn't flinch, just went in, did the job, and came out like a boss. No splash marks, no weird toilet smell, just clean. Now here's the part they don't show you in the ads. You still need to rinse the brush once in a while. And yes, you might get a few weird stares if guests walk in and see this cute bot hanging above the toilet like it's guarding the bowl. But for the price of a few fast food deliveries, you're buying freedom from toilet duty. Also, if you're someone who struggles with back pain, or you just don't want to deal with toilet brushes anymore, this thing makes life easier. So yeah, this adorable robot actually does clean your toilet. And it does it better than most people. It's cute, it's weird, it's useful. Would I give it a name and talk to it like a pet? Yes. Yes, I would. Would I go back to cleaning toilets by hand? Never. So if you're tired of scrubbing and want a toilet that basically cleans itself, maybe it's time to let the cute one take over. Hit like if this made you smile. Subscribe for more weird but awesome tech, and tell me in the comments, would you trust a robot to clean your toilet? Or is that just too weird? See you next time.